AI is stealing our jobs. But then what is the next step for people in the IT domain? Let us understand. There is one thing I have heard repeatedly in almost all my discussions recently with IT professionals and engineering students. They say if AI can write code, test software, and even document the development process, is there a future left in IT for me? It's a valid point, no doubt. Every week brings news of more capabilities for artificial intelligence. You come to know about new tools to increase productivity for you and businesses, and how getting work done is becoming possible with less manpower. All too many professionals are thinking about this, and they are wondering if artificial intelligence continues to evolve, where does it leave me and my career? If my career survives? I would say these are the wrong questions. Rather, you need to ask a completely different question. You know that AI can write code, automate tasks. So the true question you should be asking is, if AI can write code, automate tasks, then what? That takes us to the new reality of the AI era, you know. While a few decades back, knowledge of programming languages was a huge advantage for professionals. It is now a given. Similarly, in the future, knowledge of AI won't be an advantage either. It will be a fundamental need, just as knowing how to use Excel, Word, PowerPoint is today for us. Therefore, the success stories of the AI era will belong to those people who build competencies that go beyond AI. Let us look at some steps you should follow. First step, build your fundamentals first before relying on AI. Now, if you are a fresh graduate today, early career person, what should you do? Well, for starters, do not rely too much on AI before you build your fundamentals clearly. Remember, if you rely only on AI writing codes but don't know how they work, then you are not getting better. You are only becoming dependent on the technology. Therefore, the next few years of your career, maybe 3-4 years, must still be dedicated to programming databases, data structures, algorithms, fundamentals of cloud computing, basics of system designing, etc. You can use AI as a medium for learning, but don't use it to avoid learning. Because a poor engineer, even with AI, is still poor, but a good engineer with AI becomes incredibly productive. That is what you want to do in the next few years, as I said, 3-4 years from now. Step 2, move from coding to problem solving. This is where careers begin to separate. Most engineers, they spend their years asking, what technology should I learn next? Far fewer ask this question, what business problem am I solving using the technology? And that is where future opportunities are. AI can generate code. It cannot truly understand customer pain points, business priorities, or why one feature creates value while another destroys it, how it impacts revenue and profits. Therefore, the future belongs to those professionals who understand both technology and business. Step 3. Next comes gaining industry expertise. Let us take the example of two engineers with similar technical skill sets. One has only knowledge about technology, the other one has expertise across banking, regulation, risk management, product development, and customer behavior. Which person you think adds more value out of these two? The answer is clear. Technical skills may be acquired within a relatively shorter period. Industry expertise requires years. This is how domain expertise helps make a great career. And then in step 4, eventually, the top-notch professionals tend to get into decision-making positions. Some of them include enterprise architects, product managers, technology consultants, AI architects, security experts, CTOs, CIOs, these kind of people. They do not get paid for coding. They're not expected to do coding. They're paid to make decisions, deal with complexity, make trade-offs, and take responsibility. These are the areas where AI struggles. This is what distinguishes a human with judgment from artificial intelligence. And while AI excels in execution, organizations continue to depend upon humans to make judgments. So to conclude, the best career advice for the age of AI is that don't base your career on doing tasks, base it on making judgments. While tasks will be automated, judgment is promoted. And thus, Those who succeed in the age of artificial intelligence are always moving forward on the value chain of programmers, problem solvers, domain experts, decision makers, and they become leaders. So the closing thought is IT isn't going anywhere, but it is changing. Don't look at just how artificial intelligence will change the industry. Look at how you will change with it, and you will win even in uncertain times of AI. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do subscribe to Business Compass channel. Do tell us in the comment section what other topics you would like to see the videos on, and stay tuned. Have a great day.